I have different Filipino blades from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. There's some Japanese pocket weapons. Actually, if you look over there, different katanas here as well. Different blades that you can try out later on. European blades. So I have like these ones. Bastard sword. Really long. Yeah, and then those are mixes, no? And then, like I said, no, different styles of Filipino blades you'll see later on. Basically, parang every region of the country has their own design, their own style. You can ask like the historical guys there later. But you can see the detail. I think you can see it clearly in the camera. You see the fine detail of the Damascus. Those are different layers of steel. These are tricks. So this is an Aoshi blade. It's inspired out of anime. So you think this is a really long blade, right? But portion 1, portion 2. I have 2 of these kasi my background is more Filipino arts than Japanese. So my style, this kind of sword applies more. I like the Japanese style, but I have no background. I have no formal background in the Japanese arts. So I like using that because I can apply my techniques. But I have like longer blades like this as well. If I want to apply that, so you can see the handle itself can fit like 4 or 5 hands, and the blade is really long as well. It's very hard to handle. So you can try that out later. Ito yung mga traditional na nakikita nyo, which is the keris. So that's the wavy blade. It's a kris. Calis, they call it. Tapos, another shape is like the leaf, big leaf shape. This is the barong. So you can see, you can tell naman the shape of the sheet, diba? It's a lot thicker. You can see how thick that blade is.
Holy shit, I want that.
Yeah, diba? Try this
Yeah.
out later. And you have like 6-year shapes, like the panagas.
Yan yung sabi mong farmer sword, right?
Yeah, exactly. Well, mostly kasi, yun din eh, a lot of, since we experienced a lot of wars in our history, parang, there are some blades, especially like the Muslim ones, the Mindanao ones, they're more for the fighting arts, so parang mga royalty, no? And then a lot of the blades also, like Luzon and Visayas, parang a lot of them are also converted blades from farm tools, and vice versa. So this one's
That's
Leyte.
very cool.
Actually, I had this customized kasi this one actually glows. And then, like this one's another region, Bapanawa rin to, but this is how theirs look naman. Yan, small differences actually, yung mga historians, they can tell which region it comes from by how it looks. This one's actually a bat, supposedly. And then this one, I forgot where this one is. This was gifted to me. Pero iba rin yung look ng Bakunawa niya, may tongue.
Oh, that's a Bakunawa.
Yeah, that's also Bakunawa. So same nung when I was showing you kanina, diba? Parang arguably, sinasabi nila historically, pang block din yan, portion na yan. That's the purpose of it. Hindi lang siya design.
Ano to? This one. Looks like a gun.
Yeah, no, this one's para siyang yung mga Indonesian style.
So
Basically, it's Mali, yung mga Muslim. You know they're not farm tools. Unlike like the other blades, diba? You know they have function sa farm. These things talaga, they were meant for royalty eh. So, mas for war, for formal occasions. This is just medyo madumi lang siya, but it's as brassy as this, no? I just have to clean it out.
Hey, Johnson.
Ano daw siya parang...
Kahit bagsak lang, pwede
Hindi ko akalain, hindi ko maalam na nire-record niya eh. Sabi ko pwede kaya, kasi wala pang tao eh. Testing natin.
Parang bagsak lang.
Hawak pa lang.
Hinawaan pa lang. This is good.
Kasi Yung
Hindi pa niya ako-
isang month yung
hindi pa niya ako
nagkasunog eh. So
hinaharm.
wala.
Nag-mine ka na, mine.
Wala, yung
Siya na yung
Ito yun,
nag-mine
no?
sa'yo.
Hindi ka nag-mind sa akin. It approached me.
Chard.
Ganunin.
Quick
Hindi ko
design,
alam kung
basically it's like a
balance
mix of a tomahawk
beard.
design together with a bearded axe.
Balance lang. Okay.
So
Yun.
basically,
Probably
and that angle is going to help me
Pag hinahawakan
throwing
ko kasi siya,
for the normal
lagi ko siyang
strikes.
ganunin.
And then I can easily slide it down if I want to go close quarter battle. If I don't know how to use a weapon, I can still use it for punching.
Yun,
If I want to go back to that mid-range, simple as sliding it up. And then back there.
Nauuti ka.
It was given to me by SDK Custom Blades. He is based from Florida. From what I remember, he gave it to me 2 years ago. It's so inspired from Song of Tulang, a custom blade. The blood grove really looks good.
So, I'm a blacksmith for a year pa lang. But
Oh, damn.
I've been trying to make art knives. So, my passion is about Viking knives. So, I have here some samples now. These are Viking knives. So, it's a simple one, but I tried making a folding one. Then, right now, I'm trying to develop an art knife. So, ito na yung kinalabasan. So, same concept. It's got a skeleton. It's kind of like a skeleton knife because it doesn't have a wood handle. It doesn't have a plastic handle. It's got a metal handle too. So, the handle was made from brass. So, I shaped it to look like a body of a sea serpent. So, you can see the head here. It's got the eyes. And it's got its horn. And then at the back side, meron siyang parang
Oh, like a pearl?
yeah,
Pearl ba yan?
a mother of pearl, yeah. So this was also inspired from Toma Fenes of Romania. So I tried incorporating his style with Filipino culture. So Bakunawa yung name niya, and it's a sea serpent that eats the moon. So according to our Filipino culture, when there's an eclipse, the Bakunawa eats the moon. When people see an eclipse, what they do is they bang the covers ng pants so that the Bakunawa will get scared away and the moon will be back. So that's the story of the Bakunawa. I made the sheath to look like a snake skin, like with a wing style kind of thing, and it's got the moon motif. Same with the blade, because the Bakunawa likes the moon. So I tried to make the surface of the knife and the scabbard surface of the moon. Got a baby brother now. This is a petty knife. This is a kitchen knife. The small one, utility knife. And this is called hambubuk. I still don't get the proper name, but I think it's hambubukao. And it's a flying lizard that can be found in Mindanao. So this is the silhouette of the lizard. This is the wing. This is the head. The legs and the tail is over here, but I tried to make it like a silhouette only, so hindi siya magmukhang kengkoy. So the middle part, it's got a yakal wood over here. So yakal is a kind of tree where you can find these flying lizards. Fan talaga ako ng mga Viking stuff, so I tried incorporating Viking
so-
stuff with my art.
Yeah, with Filipino din.
Yeah, Filipino culture.
Yeah.
This is the regular one, so you can easily find ones na ganito ang itsura. Pero it's rare to find a folding one. So paganda siya. So ganito siya hawakan. Very siya, compact. You can put it in your pocket. Pero lang, I need to make a leather sheet for it kasi delikado ma-shoot yung daliri dito. So yun. I forged the steel to make blades. Paso and ayan, natusok. Yeah. I also got yung pasma, yung nanginginig.
Yeah?
I don't know if what's the reason for that. Pero sa culture natin sa Filipino, tawag nila dito pasma. This is called a flamberge dagger because
Saka magtatapos yan.
the blade's like a
Ano yung
flame.
first mo?
So para siyang flame, so flamberge. So yung theme niya is Viking din.
Ito yung huli slash yung gano'n.
So it's got rabbit fur kasi sa 'di ba they've got winter and it's like a hand warmer. And the blade is very special kasi ano siya, sun mic. You can notice yung may pattern siya. Like black yung edges tapos white yung center niya because dalawang klaseng metal yung ginamit ko diyan. So what I did was sandwich the high carbon steel with stainless steel. That's why magkaiba yung kulay niya. In order to have this pattern, yung magkaroon siya ng contrasting colors like black and white, you need to use different metals. It can't be done easily kasi you need to get three steel to stick together. That's why it's very hard to make. Usually out of 100% nung steel, baka mga 40% na nagagamit ko. Most of it tapon kasi kumakalas. So if you guys want to see more cool Viking blades, follow my page, Ithirich Forge. We can do customized blades. You can order one of my art knives so I can continue my passion. So yun po.